Coming. Wait a minute. Yes? Hello? Please, come in. Hi guys, there's space for everyone. You first, you go down there and then you please sit on the seat. Yes, okay. Come on, we have a plate. Okay, and oh, how many are you? Not on there, please. Oh, what a mess. I please, not on this. This is fragile. Please sit down there. Okay, you two over there. Okay, thank you. Come on, and welcome and welcome to you all. I'm continuing mounting the BBX. It's fantastic, and there's a lot of people who want to see how do I work. So I decided to make another video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. In the last videos, I made this, and now we continue with step 31. Rear dampers, rear suspension, and I can turn the page. Okay, 31, maybe 34. Yes, with this wonderful transmission shaft with the universal. These are fantastic. This, yes, up to here about. Yes, we mount all the rear parts. Please be quiet here. Yes, if you're bored, you can go and have a tour and return when I've finished as the one who are watching this video. See you later. Dampers on. But I wanted to show you this tool. For a long time I have always screwed this kind of Allen screws by hand. Quite difficult. Then I found this on Amazon. It's quite easy, not very expensive but not very cheap. Don't buy cheap tools. And here it is. Fantastic. These top quality. I just wanted to show you this, and I'm sorry, I don't want to disturb you, but remember that for these hubs we have two sizes of ball bearings. Kugellager, zwei verschiedene Kugellager, kleiner, grosser, little, bigger, and in front too. Pay attention. Fantastic. Perfectly working, and you see that when I push, all the cage moves, and also the rear part. But we have to mount all these pieces, so I'm confident it will be more stiff. Wonderful. And the red cage to me looks great. The cage is done. More rigid, very flexible indeed. Nice. Nice. Wheels and tires. Attention to these spacers. Look at the size. Very compressed. These tires are fantastic. This is the first time I see something like this. This reinforcement for the side, we call them shoulder. I don't know if it's in English it's the same, because it's the shoulder of the tire. And here we have these lines. It's reinforced. These are very, very good tires. Fantastic. And now I have to put this here inside. Okay, here you have to be patient and requires a little bit of time. What I wanted to show you is how to put rim inside. First of all, these rims, they looks all the same. There is no front or rear wheel. You put in this way, then you turn done. You press, you have to, this is perfectly, the center of the rim is perfectly in the center of the tire. This is very important, otherwise you have this one. I do all the other. Front tires foam is much more easy to install. The rear, it's quite difficult. Now we have another thing. There's a hole to let air get in and out. But in this hole also gets in dirt and water. So perhaps I will close it with a patch. 1, 2, 3, bam! And bam! First time in my life that I do this on both sides. And to do this, my way is to use enamel, not acrylic. Enamel is stronger. With a brush like this size, you put a lot, not too much obviously, some enamel, and you leave the drop going inside the letter and sprayed automatically. You help it like this, but don't paint inside the letter. Let the color run. No matter if you go a little bit on the margin here on this line, they are over, and it's very easy once it's quite dry, perhaps also completely dry, but quite dry, with some petrol and a tissue gently passing by, you can have a perfect letter. Tissue, petrol, nitro, pass by once, perfect. Comment, like, subscribe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I teach you how to count in Italy. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. We can mount the wheels. Done! What a massive buggy. The direction of the rear tires, of the rear wheels, they are very closed. In front there's some work to do. And now, my friends, my first little test. Wonderful. A lot of steering, you see, a lot of steering. That's good for a two-wheel drive car. And then the engine. Okay, it goes backward. Backward means reverse. Okay, no. I have to change the wire position.
The wire position. Switch off. I make some trials, then I show you.
Okay. It seems quite fast for the brushless perhaps, but I've told you this is Chinese and they say something that perhaps it's not so real. But I think the wheels are ballooning just a little bit. That means that they have a good speed. Backward, slower. It may squeak. Ah yes, this is not a LiPo battery. It's very drivable. Fantastic. This, my friends, looks to be a very good car. And so, my friends, this is a long work. Perhaps it requires another video for the body and all the finishing parts. Lights. Eyes. We have 2, 4 and 1, and perhaps something here over 3. There are a lot of lights. I would like... Hello! I would like to have shake when we switch on the light. Oh, it flashes. And on this very stupid thing, this old man say, please comment, like and subscribe. Ciao, up to the next with this or something else. Bye bye.